Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to another live trading session. Which date are we? We are October 18 and says 11 on YouTube. So let me modify that right now. Looked like it was still sleeping here. All right. So modify. There we go. October 18th. So welcome, everyone. So my name is Sasha, and we're going to go again for live trading session. It's going to be Franglish, so I can bounce from French to English, no problem. So if you have any questions, donc si vous avez des questions en français, ne vous gênez pas. If you need to review some chart, don't forget to send it over. And it'll be my pleasure to help you out. So don't forget, ask all your questions. Yeah, so let's get going. We're going to be looking at different pairs. We're going to take a look at scalp trades idea and swing trade ideas. All right, so don't forget we're coming back from a long break on YouTube. This is the second week in a row now. And yeah, so you're gonna have to build back the audience from scratch. We had like hundreds of people here, sometimes thousands of people. So I need your help to build back the audience, and for that, you just need to smash that like button. And if you didn't subscribe yet to the channel, don't forget to do so and activate notification. Let's go. All right. So good morning again. Welcome to the new people who's joining right now. And let's see if we have any first comment. Tony, what's up, Tony? Good morning. Tony's always one of the first one to say hi. So welcome. Good morning. All right. So let's get started here. Let's pull out the charts. There we go. And let's go with that. And let's get our message here somewhere. Boom. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, let's get going. So first thing first, let's go take a look at GJ. To be honest, I didn't look at the chart at all this morning so far. So let's see. This is my alert that was placed yesterday. But let's remove that now. It was on the break of the high here on the H4 dogtail setup. Took the entry, but to be honest, I got stopped at break even because it came back to my entry. It went to 11 pips and came back to my entry. So it is what it is. And I had to leave for a meeting, so I didn't give it a second chance. It's too bad because it actually pushed like so many pips. I was actually looking for break retest here, but never happened. So let's remove that. And this area here to the left is still holding. So if you look here on 4 hour, we got this H4 resistance right there, which is sitting on the 168 500 QP. And yeah, so we're still holding this area here on 4 hours. Looks like we just got a big wick to the downside. And let's see, is that in our golden zone? Let's see the start of the push to the end of the push. Holy moly, right here. This isn't perfect or what? It's more golden setup. Let's see. Let's go on a lower time frame. Ooh, that's interesting. Ooh, that's interesting. That's actually pretty interesting here. But the lower time frame right now is bearish at the moment. So, I would like to see a break retest above 169. Because if we do that, it's gonna be doom 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 doom. We're gonna break structure, right? And we're gonna come back from support to continue up, right? So I want to break that structure first, because now if I just look at this from this point here, now it's like if we're coming like this, right? So I don't want to go against that little trend, especially if I'm scalping, right? Um, on the 30-minute time frame. So because right now, if we reverse that fib right there, you know, we are right in that golden zone to the downside, right? So all right, so let's not get confused here, and let's start from scratch. So let's start from the monthly time frame. So if you look at the monthly, we are bullish, right? I mean, there's no question there. We are bullish. Okay, perfect. So now let's move on to the weekly. Weekly is bullish also. Perfect. Awesome. All right. So we did close this candle, this close above that resistance right there, and we are bullish. Okay, cool, perfect. All right, let's move up. But let's move down to the daily. Daily is now bullish also, you know. And 4 hour is bullish also. So do I want to take, a trade here on H1 or 30 minute when it's trending down? Not really. I need this time frame to switch back to bullish. So above 169 will be perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Because here we might just do this, all right? Because we rejected the major QP right there, 169, right? And we push back up, and now look like we're rejecting this whole area right here, which is the 500 QP. So if you're looking like this, like I said, it looked like now we might do this a little deeper right here in that golden zone, form support, and push back. Let's go take a look at H1. Yeah, we might actually go a little lower to the next QP actually. Yeah, so that would make sense. That would make sense. So yeah, I'm not. Plus, it's super early still. It's only 8 a.m. Um, Volume's gonna start kicking in, but volume these days start to kick in so much later than before. So we'll see. Let's see if we have any comments or questions here. Ejaz, nice to see you. Hey, nice to see you here. Welcome, welcome. If current 30-minute close bearish, if current 30-minute close bearish, it's logical to intercept GJ. Like I just explained, right? I mean, yes. If you're scalping it, yeah, you know. But again, if you look here, it all depends on where this candle is going to close bearish, right? It's closing in 4 minutes. So it all depends where it do close bearish. Because I mean, if it closed like somewhere around here, don't forget you got 28 pips to the next major QP, which is the area where we had problem before, and we know that major QP can be hard to break sometimes. So it all depends on where this is gonna close. But again, if it closed like doji-ish, I don't know, man. Just like maybe if you wake up first and break the low, it can be something. I'm so much more picky on setup than before. I prefer to enter more quality setup. So I enter less trade basically, and I enter more high quality setup these days. Um, in the lie, in my previous life, I would probably like enter that like on a bearish candle. But too many times, like again, I'm not saying it's not gonna work, but I want to put the odds in my favor. And in trading, it's all about putting the odds into your favor. Um, so that's what it is. Um, uh, was hard to set your mind to set and forget. Yes, yes. Oh, totally, totally. Because don't forget, I came from a scalping mindset. I've been scalping for the past couple of years, and setting up my trade and forget about it. It was quite something. It was yeah. It was a really big challenge for myself. I know it sounds stupid, but it was a big challenge, and that's actually why I actually decided to do that course with Alex also. And the reason why I think is not I think the reason why is um, I was not good at swing trading it. Put it this way. I sucked at it. I'm gonna be straight up. I did suck at it. And I was getting a little, better by myself, but I was like, let me go see someone that actually is having success with this kind of trade ideas and strategy. And Alex was amazing. Alex was pretty good, man. Alex was amazing and really down to earth, to be honest. Um, and yeah, man, that mindset was what I missed, what I was missing for the swing trade, right? So yeah, That's it. And I'm actually applying some little stuff into my scalping also. Um, but not about this and I forget though. But what about the market switch on the lower time frame? I do look at that now. So yeah, I mean I think it's good to always evolve and learn and just be better. Like if you want to be a better golfer, let's say you're good at putting and you're good at chip, but you suck at driving. I mean, you'll go see a coach that's going to help you with your drive, right? So it's the same kind of idea here. It's just like same concept. Same concept. If you want to be a better athlete, you're going to see someone that's better at you as an athlete, right? So as a swing trader, I was not really good, so I decided to go see someone that was good at it and add this to my arsenal. I'm a true believer that you can always evolve and be better. So that's just my thought. And there's other people who doesn't want to learn anything else and said, I'm good like that, I'm profitable like that, and I'm not going to change anything. And that's perfect also. Nothing against that. So yeah. Um, why you're not coming daily on stream? Because I don't want that commitment. You know, I got a lot of things going on in my life. I got business, I got family. I mean, I don't want that kind of commitment. I did it back then, like 2 days a week, like Tuesday, Thursday. And even there, it was a little too much. I prefer to open my Zoom for my students. I open my Zoom with my students every day, though, every morning. Except sometimes, now these days I don't force trades. So when I see that the market look like shit, I I just tell my students like, listen, it's not worth it. I'm not gonna open up the Zoom today. Market is sucky, so I'm not touching it, right? Or I'm gonna tell straight up, I'm only gonna be looking at the H4 dogtail setup, and that's about it. So I'm super straight up with them. Um, and yeah, so I'm just trying to spend less time on the chart. That was also one of the reason why I wanted to look at the swing trade opportunity, right? Hello Sasha, bonjour, bonjour Joe, bonjour, comment ça va? Hello, welcome back. And don't forget to smash the like button, guys, because again, I told you a couple minutes ago, but we are coming back from a long break. And when you do that on YouTube, the algorithm doesn't really push your stream anymore. And we used to have hundreds of people here. So this is the second week in a row, I think, or is it the third or second? I can't remember, but I think it's the second week in a row. So we're just getting started at it. Again, I do need your help, guys. And the only thing you have to do is take your little finger and your little mousey and you click the left button over the like button, right? So super simple. It's gonna take you 2 seconds. I know it can be rough on a Tuesday morning, clicking on the like button. I know. But it would be very appreciated. All right, so now that the 30-minute candle closed, you see, that's why you wait for the close. You see, we had a bearish candle that was looking bearish, and it closed what? It closed bullish, right above this QP right now. All right. And again, I'm looking for break and retests of that structure to continue to the upside. Look at this. Holy. On 4 hour, we can also have a reversal pattern right here. So there's a lot of possible things now. Just got to be patient and wait for confirmations, right? Because right now, yeah, this lower time frame do look bearish. Yeah. And look, if we do our zone here, bam. So it looks like now we broke here. We're coming up, retest this thing. So let's see how the next 30-minute candle is going to close. Let's see that. And don't forget to smash the like button. And I'm sure last week we didn't have a crazy amount of people because, I mean, we were getting back at it for the first time. And I think we were able to manage like 20, it was 20 or 25 likes. So I'm pretty sure today we can do the same or beat it. All right, so help me out here, guys, and girls, and yeah, everyone. Um, all right, so now let's take a look at the other pairs. All right, so let's go take a look at gold here. Let's delete all this. Dim 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 dim. All right. Wow, man, I can't remember. Like I remember this move was insane. Let's delete that now. Let's delete all those lines and start from scratch. Okay, let's go take a look at the daily. All right. So daily is bullish. Okay. So daily's bullish. Um, and the reason why it's because here, we are bearish. We're bearish. Actually, this is the continuation of the move. We are bearish. And here, we broke above this. And here, we're creating what? A higher low, right? So now, this is the daily. Just out of curiosity, are we okay? We're respecting the safety net. Okay, perfect. Now let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. All right. So 4-hour time frame right now is bearish. Okay. Boom. All right, bearish here. All right, still bearish. Here, still bearish. All right, so are we gonna get the pullback or are we gonna continue to the upside? Okay, so good thing to look at here. All right, let's establish our zone here on H4. Definitely this area is, look at all those rejection here, this area, which is the 1668. All right, perfect. Let's go take a look on the left here. All right, and we have, all right, so we have this area right here. This is 3 areas of problem. All right, so let's see here. After that, though, under 1644, we got a clean ass traffic. So I'm definitely gonna put an alert here for sure. And what about here on the lower time frame here? We're respecting this. Okay. Let's see. I forgot StreamYard now. My streaming software has a little playlist. So we can actually add like some music here. I don't even know how it works again. Where is it? Joe, I'm currently short GJ, 12 pips SL, 50 pips TP, 5-minute time frame. Oh, when was that? Ooh. GJ short, 12 pip stop loss. Ooh, must be very close to your stop loss right now. Where I was, gold. Gold. There we go. Perfect. What did I want to check? Okay. Oh yeah, music. Damn it. Brand here. Music. Let's try that. That's weird. Is the music too loud? Like I have no clue if it's too loud or not. Let's try it like that. Oh, I don't know, man. I don't like this thing. You guys like it? I don't know. I think I'm gonna pause it. Fuck it. If you guys liked it, let me know. I think it's weird. All right, let's focus here. Okay, 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 okay. All right, so 1 hour. All right, so we got 7 likes. Can we get to 15, guys? Can we get to 15 likes? Come on, help me out here. All right, all right, all right, all right. Focus, 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 focus. Okay. All right, so H1. Now we're having problem in this area. That's okay. That's good. All right, so I need to pull back here. So we're just ranging here on 30 minute, 1 hour. So gold, nothing, not touching it for now. I'm gonna go come back to gold. All right, so let's take a look here at your GPP. See here. I am King Dominator. Ice Asher Sir. Hey, buddy, what is up? King Dominator. That is scary as fuck, dude. Uh, very scary. King Dominator. Huh? Is that anything with your sex life or just fucking around, bro? But you know what? Give me 1 second here. I need some clean. Man, since we start the heating system here because it's getting colder, man, I have a stuffy nose, crazy. All right, so let's take a look at Euro JPB. Let's see. All right, so this is what I was waiting for, like, yesterday. This never happened. So we did broke. And this is why you want to. Oh, actually, we talked about that. I think it was yesterday. Was it yesterday? Monday? Yeah. This was yesterday. I talked about that with a couple people on the Zoom session. And I was like, this is what I'm waiting to go short here. And you see, we had the break. And even on 30 minute, you never had the retest. You had the break, boom, straight back up. You know, that's why I do not trade breakouts anymore. In my previous life, I would have traded a breakout and get. Well, in this case, it kind of come down a couple pips. So, but even there, I have no entry. If I have to take an entry, it would be here on the break of the low, and that would be like 12 pips. Or maybe 19, 20, right? So I don't know. But that's for scalping, right? But swing trading it, oh man, I would be in a mess here because I would be hitting my stuff for sure. So, anyways, so long story short, this never happened. So now, what are we going to be looking for? Have you done gold analysis? Oh, very quickly, because right now it's just rangy on the 30 minute and 1 hour, but we'll come back to gold. We'll come back to gold in just a couple minutes. Wait a second. The question, but I don't see it in full. So give me 1 second. Have you done gold analysis? Okay, answer that. Hey, bro, add hashtag to your video titles. In the video titles, you think that will make a difference? Because I got some hashtag on, I think, in the description, if I'm not wrong. But I'm curious. I'm not that good at those things. But if you tell me that it makes difference, I'll try it. I'll definitely try it. But I do not understand those things so much. But yeah. All right, let's get to 15 likes. We're very close. Need your help, guys. All right, so let's focus. Let's go back to your GBP. All right, so here we got what we got here. All right. So we got what? We got a high form, right? So what we need the pullback, right? So we need the pullback. So we price came down, retest this area, and now we're pushing back up, right? So let's find an entry. Actually, this area should. Oh, was it? This is on the weekly. This is on the weekly. So this is on the weekly. So weekly is bullish. Monthly is still bearish. Okay. Okay. but weekly is bullish. Okay, so weekly is bullish. Daily is at the moment bearish. All right, so now daily is bullish. What am I saying? Daily is bearish. All right, so now are we gonna push back up here to continue down? I don't know. That's a good question. But right away, weekly is bullish and daily. Fuck, what am I saying? Yeah, weekly is bullish, daily is bearish. I don't like it. You know, for that swing trade, I need those weekly, daily, 4 hour, like in sync. So I'm gonna pass on that. We might have a reversal pattern right here. You know, retest the neckline, form support, and continue up. So we'll see if that happens. I might be interested on a short-term trade on this one. But yeah, so again, this one is not setting up nicely as we speak. So we're just gonna pass on it. Whoa, oh shit, I need to wake up the kid. Give me 1 second, guy. I'll be right back. In the meantime, make sure we hit 15 likes, guys. I'll be right back. All right. He was good. He was already awake. That was very surprising. All right. Let's get back to it. Let me text the wifey. Set under control. Done. Check mark. There we go. All right. Let's get back to it. All right. We got 10 likes. We're getting close to it. We're getting close to it. All right. Well, let's see. Let's see. They let your viewers and YouTube know what your videos are about and can help them rank higher in the platform search result. In the title or in the description. That's the only thing I just need to confirm with you because I never seen like let's say we go on YouTube right now. Sorry, I'm getting distracted, but just curious because if you see I've as oh well he got number right there. But if I look at all the other videos, like I don't see anyone using hashtags. Let's say we do Forex. I don't see any video with hashtag in the title except that guy. What? You guys in French. Yeah, I don't see any hashtag. Are you sure about that? Well, here. Who's that? Oh, this guy. Okay, so I might try it, but there's not a lot of people using that. Is that new? Is that a new thing? Because so far, only 2 videos had the hashtags in the title. I have some in my description, but all right. So let's get back to it. Did we miss gold analysis? Yeah, no, we're gonna go back to gold because gold was kind of rangy, so we'll go back to gold in a few. Already like the video. Thank you, King Dominator. No, don't place it in the title, but in the description. Okay, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. Hold on, wait a second. Do I have like title in the description? We'll see. Just want to make sure. Let's let's open up this one. What did you forget? Always copy paste the same message. Oh, you're right. How the I had some hashtags before. Okay, I'll do that for sure. Thank you. Thank you for the why are they not there? Or maybe that's when I set up my channel. Yeah, in my thing on my dashboard. of the channel, I did use hashtag. So I'm gonna copy paste those hashtags and put it in the description. That's a good idea. Hey, thank you guys. Very appreciate. Man, you see, you guys got my back, man. Thank you. All right, for that, I'm gonna try to find a good opportunity here. All right, so ADCHF. You see, this is our trade from last week. It's pretty good. Now we are right in that H4 golden zone. Let me just extend that. There we go. Perfect. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Perfect. Yeah, that one I'm gonna keep an eye on it. We'll see. EuroCAD. What's going on with EuroCAD? Bill. Holy. Look at these rejection here. Daily. Um, okay. What about this? What about this? Oh, this candle's not closed. I cannot use that now. But clearly, if that candle is coming back and close back under this area after this huge ass rejection, that's gonna be very interesting. Very interesting. But also on H1, well, first thing first. All right, let's establish this. Oops, sorry guys. All right. So first thing first, let's establish. All right. So right now we're still bearish. We're still bearish here on the weekly time frame. Perfect. Done. Daily. All right. So daily now. Daily is bullish. Okay. Daily is bullish as we speak. Um, hold on. Did we close? Did we close? No. Oh, hold on. Wait a second. Daily is bearish now. Okay. 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 We need to close above this. Okay, so I don't like it. All right, so let's move on. That's very interesting. Very interesting. All right, so daily here. Daily is bullish. Okay. Here we form support in here. Right on the safety net. Definitely gonna take a look at GBBCHF here. Um, but if we do break under this area though, oh shit, we got some nice clean traffic left. And that's also gonna be like kind of breaking structure right there. We do a break and retest on the downside. That would be, ooh, oh shit. That would be, let's do this clean. So, all right, so let's say we break here, retest, form resistance, and continue down. Targeting right there, next area. All right, cool, 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 cool. Definitely gonna keep an eye on this. Plus, we got our infamous shampoo pattern, but that one's looking to the upside though. Not perfect, but it is what it is. Or coming up and retest that neckline? Maybe, maybe, maybe. All right, so let's keep an eye on GPPCH. All right, let's go back to gold now. Let's go back to gold and see what's going on. Oh, missing 2 likes to 15. Fuck yeah, guys. I like you. Um, boom, 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 boom. Look at this 4 hour time frame that just, like going at it right now. Don't forget, we got a nice here engulfing candle, bearish closing under support on H4 time frame. So yeah, I would like to see I would like to see something either break retest around this area to go there. Of course, under this area is going to be beautiful. Under 1644 is going to be the best thing because if you look to the left here, um, I mean, it's super, super, super duper clean here. Under 1644. So yeah, so one of those two are super clean. Now to the upside, let's see what we got because we're scalping gold, right? So um, I do not hold trades on gold. I personally don't. So 30 minute and 1 hour now. 1 hour do look bullish. Well, it doesn't look. It is bullish. But if you look at 30 minute, I mean, here we broke the low here. So let's see here. So we got this area. So we're still bullish here. We're still bullish on the 1 hour also. All right. So 30 minute and 1 hour are bullish right now. Boom, boom, boom. But I had no nice entry to be honest. So gotta be waiting for a better confirmation. So as right now, I got nothing. Won't go. I'm not gonna force a trade. I'm just gonna wait. I am gonna wait. Look at this 15-minute time frame. It doesn't look nice. Yerk. Yerk. All right, so let's continue into our analysis. Let's go back to GJ for 1 sec. Um, GJ is closing in 4 minutes. Let me. Where's my MT? Okay. So GJ right now is having a problem with this area. Previous candle on 30 minute closed like small body candle, kind of a doji-ish. So we'll see next candle. We did broke the high, respected previous low. It look like it wants to continue up, but we're having a lot of problem here. We having a lot of problem here. All right, so we're gonna definitely keep an eye on it. Oh, missing one light, guys, to 15. Can we do it? Man. And again, it's a comeback on the live stream after a long ass break. So definitely need your help. Oh shit, I think I broke my pen. Is it just me, or like every time I see a clip like this, I gotta put my finger into it, and at one point it decides to break, right? So, hey, fuck, I'm gonna be breaking it. It's quite an expensive pen too. Oh well. Look, I got not this small blown, but the other one. Where's my other one? Here, this one. Look, this is a fucking like $800 pen, and I fucking broke the clip. Yeah, I know. So dumb. Fucking, like, and now I just did the same thing to this one. I mean, it's almost gone. It's just like I can feel it. It's gonna break any moment now. That's the thing when you're ADHD. You gotta play with things. That's why you always see me with my teeny. Where it is? I broke it too. I need to order some more. Anyways, let's get the cheaper pen in my hand. Don't break the expensive one. All right. Yo, that is loud. Whoa, what happened? Okay. All right, let's focus. You see, ADHD kicked in, right? By the way, trading for me, huge fucking challenge. Huge fucking challenge. That's why it took me took me a good 2 years before being profitable, right? At first, man, I was reading, trying to listen to videos. I was like, oh, I was so distracted. It was so hard. Um, At one point, I was trying to trade two different accounts at the same time. Oh man, you should see the shit show. For people that have been following me for a while, you heard those things on live, yo. I was like back then, I was trading a I was trading a zero point 0.5 I mean, I thought I was trading a zero point 0.5, and I did enter a 5 lot instead of a zero point 0.5. And I'm sure Mr. B on Zoom remember that. And suddenly we're excited, trade is going on, and we're hitting 50. He's like, yes, I do remember. And trade's going on. I think it was like either 12 or 15, whatever the amount of pips. And suddenly I look right, because back then I didn't have that laptop on my left, so I look right to my account on MT4, and I'm like, what the fuck? And I'm like, I'm closing that shit up because like it's like a couple $100 in profit, It's like holy. And I think actually it was like almost 1,000 if I remember correctly, whatever. But yeah, no, this is the kind of shit I do when I get distracted and ADHD kicked in. I do some stupid stuff sometimes. But all right, so this 30-minute just closed now, and it closed bullish. You see how it was a small body candle in the last couple minutes, it pushed up, and we did broke the high right here, right? So it looked like we're going to continue. The 1 hour did broke the previous high also, so it do look like we're going to be continuing to the upside. I guess this this entry was the best if you can find an entry in that golden zone, but I was not awake at that time. But even there, look at this big ass candle, right? I mean, if you're placing a trade there, I mean, it doesn't make sense. You got the 62 pip stop loss. It's just like, fuck, no, way too big. So now let's see, we're coming back above this area. Now, let's remove this. um we're coming back above this area now. This is the third. All right, there we go. Can we, oops, can we have something like this to continue up? But the safer trade will be above the 169. Above 169, I'm going to be very interested. And the reason why is because we're going to be very close. I mean, it would be better to break this, but above the 169 makes sense. Because here, taking a trade here, it's like we're getting close to that major QP, right? Let's say you take a break of the high here, you got like 16, 17 pips to the next major QP. So it can be tight because this is an area that we know that can be rejected. Look previously. Look previously. Rejection, rejection, rejection. Rejection, 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 rejection. Rejection, rejection. So we know like this might have some problem. So don't aim for 20 pips if you're entering here to the upside, right? But I'm definitely going to be waiting for the next candle and see what's going on. Yeah, I was just about to say Joe must be close to stop loss if it's not already done, and Joe says stop. Yeah, yeah, yep. That's why it's very hard to go against the higher time frame. You know, because all right. So here's some gems for you guys. Right. So if you look at the higher time frame. The higher time frame, the daily, the weekly, the daily, I mean, even the monthly. The monthly, the weekly, the daily, the 4 are bullish. And you got H1 now bearish. Why? Because this is just the H1 bearish is just this. It's just this pullback, it's just a pull fucking back, right? So why people keep, trying to go against the trend, right? If you go against the trend, make sure you got a reversal pattern, make sure you got like 2 3 extra confirmation. Why do we have a blue line here? ADHD. So make sure you got a couple confirmations, right? Right now, what is your confirmation to go short? What was your confirmation to go short? Oh, you said 5 minute. Yeah, 5 minute. Fuck. 5 minute is a super, 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 super duper extra weak confirmation time frame. The 5 minute, and again, you know, this is just my personal opinion. The 5 minutes should be used if you use it, should be used for entries, not confirmations. And this is where everybody get fucking confused, because people is are trading the 5 minute to 5 minute like this. No, you're gonna lose too much, guys. Again, 5 minutes to find an entry because you got your confirmation on a higher time frame. Fine, I'm totally fine with it. You know, but where do you have a confirmation for sales on 30 minute, H1 and 4 hour? Do you have anything? I don't see anything. There's no bearish candle. Like even 15 minutes, there's no bearish candle. This is a doji. This is a write-off candle. Like, so yeah. So very, very important, guys. If you want to save your capital and be profitable one day, you gotta make sure you trade the higher probability setup, right? And again, it sounds cliche, but the fucking trend is your friend. So, man, I'm on fire this morning. Jeez. All right. Let's see. Do we have anything else here? What time is it now? 36. So EuroCAD, we said no. NZD CAD is just pushing up. Yeah, NZD CAD will be nice if we come back retesting this area here. We just switch from, because this is bearish, right? All right, let's establish this here. Because monthly, weekly is bearish, daily is bearish also. I mean, mostly rangy right now by then. 4 hour, we just flip bullish. That's very interesting. We flip bullish because what? Because on a higher time frame, we might need to come back, retest previous support that was broken, form resistance, and continue down. So I'm going to place an alert here. It might take a couple weeks to get there. Where's my trade that I was actually looking for? Yeah, here. Look at GBBCHF. Okay, GBBCHF. I placed an alert there, but I was expecting price come down to come up here, retest previous support that was broken to continue down. This is on the weekly time frame. And if you look, I've been waiting for this setup for since we formed support here. So 1, 2, 3. This is the third week. I'm waiting for that setup. So that's why I'm looking at more pairs now these days. I'm still scalping only 2 pairs or 3 when G is gonna start, doing his thing again. But so far G has been shit for almost all year. So yeah, so that's why I do look at different pairs because I don't want to force any trades. So that's why I'm keeping my option open on other pairs for swing trade. Right? Hopefully it makes sense for you. And we did hit 15 likes, so thank you very much, guys. We appreciate. It's a comeback. It's a comeback. We're trying to build back the audience one by one. Again, we used to have like hundreds of people, thousands of people sometimes, and yeah. So where's the question here? Sasha, is it possible to show my FXCM close position on trading view? How? No clue. Sorry. I suck at technicals. I mean technicals. Munir, what's up? Hola. Hola, Munir. Yeah, I'm not that good with trading view. Um, yeah, I know how to draw lines, and that's about it. Yeah, you see, you don't need to be smart to be doing some trading. Um, GPP, all right, cool. So we looked at that. Entity CAD, EDCHF, EDCHF. Yeah, that's the one we were talking about before. So we looked at it. Entity CAD, we did it. GU. All right, let's talk about GU. I know there's a lot of people trading GU. All right, first thing first. Let's go. Oh yeah, yeah. Where? What? Right here. Yeah. I might. I need to switch FXCM to OM because FXCM has too many like bullshit. Gaps. Which piss me off. Um, but yeah. So now we're coming back here. So let's see. Let's see. Oh, we're rejecting the golden zone in previous support that was broken. That's interesting. Perfect. We like it. Weekly is bearish. Monthly is bearish, right? So monthly is bearish. Weekly is bearish. Daily is bearish because we didn't broke that structure point right here. So here we are still bearish at the moment. We're just playing in that range. Um, All right, so weekly, monthly, weekly, daily bearish. Let's establish that here. Oh, everything is still bearish. Perfect. 4 hours. 4 hours now looks bullish. I mean, doesn't look, it is. So 4 hour now is bullish. But look at this. We got what we got here. Right at this area right there, we got a reversal pattern. It looks like now we're coming to retest this area to continue down. That can be exciting. All right. All right. All right. So now, oh, look at this. So 1 hour just flipped bearish. All right, cool. Cool. All right, I think we got our thing here. This going number one right here. So I like it. I like it a lot. So yeah, now we just need our confirmation to continue down. Um, let's see here. Do we have on the lower time frame on each one? Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is fucking beautiful. I'm getting excited here. Perfect. Bam. All right, cool. So now I'm just gonna wait for our resistance to be formed. Yeah, resistance to be formed with an engulfing candle. That would be amazing. Yeah, definitely gonna keep an eye on this. All right, all right, all right. We got something. We got something. And you see on the lower time frame, we were trending up. All right, we're trending up. We're still trending up, right? We're still trending up, right? And we finally broke. Oops, we finally broke structure. It's right here. Now we're coming like this. This is not clean out. We're coming up here to reach the spirit of support from resistance. We continue down, right? Hopefully that makes sense for you guys. 1 hour cleaner. That's even cleaner. You see, we're bullish here. Bullish here. Bam. And what happened here? Bam! And now we just flip bearish. And like again, we're coming back, retest here. We'll form resistance. Continue down. Let's go. I'm excited. All right, let's put the desk up. Let's put the desk up. All right. Oh! Ah, ah, ah. All right, good stretch. Good. Where's this camera? All right, cool. All right, so GU is very interesting. So let's see if we can find something else. Um, where are we? What time is it now? 8:45. All right, let's go take a look at gold. All right, so go. Whoa, all right, gold's pushing up here. Yeah, son. Look like gold. We might use a dovetail setup on the H4 candle. All right, we got 17 likes. Can we get to 20? Can we get to 20? Like week by week. I'm gonna try to beat last week. Like again, I said we need to build back the audience from scratch. Um, Getting back at it on YouTube, second week in a row. So definitely need your help to build back the audience, guys. And if you're sharing this on IG, don't forget to tag me. I will reshare it for you guys. Yeah. All right. So I mean, your H1 is just like rejecting this minor resistance right there. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But 15 minute just close. 15-minute close, small doji candle, right at this area, right here. You see? Yeah, right there. All right. Let's keep an eye on it. What about Solana here? Oh, is Solana doing? Ooh, nice, 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 nice. Too bad. I should have bought more. Okay. About a big, I mean, a pretty decent quantity of Solana right here, 20, 28, 28-ish. I mean, I bought some more. Like every yellow line is where I bought, right? So just for me to keep track. But I do think here now this chart is what about daily? Daily just created a low, so we're coming up here to retest this shit. So let me delete this. So actually, we're coming. Yeah, that would make sense. And 24 is my ultimate target on Solana. This is my ultimate target for like so long. Um, so we'll see. What about BTC? Just a quick look on BTC. Bitcoin. Look at 17. Not 17. What am I talking about? 1900. 19,000. God damn it. Uh, 19,000 is holding pretty strong. Uh, Where's settings? What? I want to add another. I want to move that line. Where is what? What? We delete this shit. Let's do another line. 1900. Right here. Maybe if I double click on it. Ah, here we go. You see, I'm not good with trading view. Okay. All right, here we go. Yeah. All right. Let's put it. Let's put it orange. Lock it down. Yeah. So 19,000 is holding pretty strong. Um, but here is the area where Phil's gonna get a tattoo of my name on his ass if we touch 12,000. This bet is still going on for almost a year now. Almost a year. Almost a year. I called BTC at 12K on YouTube live in November. Yeah, last year. So I said BTC is going to 12K in 2022. But we're almost there. Almost. So, all right, let's go back. Let's focus. Let's focus, guys. Man, we got 18 likes. Love it. We're getting close to 20. Two more. Two little more. All right. Now I should find some music, man. Well, there's music on that thing now, but it just sounds weird. Um, yeah, it does sound weird. Actually, is it the Answer that. In GJ, you are waiting to close above 169.250. On GJ, I am waiting for. Oops. What? Sorry, man. Confusion with my screens. Right here. So basically, I want to see a break retest above 169. Yeah, 250 will be better, to be honest. But now the thing is, in 10 minutes, that was my prior idea. But now what's happening is, because don't forget, we're still trending down on the lower time frame, right? But 4 hours about to close. And what do we have here? We have a huge ass rejection, right? So this gives a lot of fuel on the next candle. We got a support form with a small body candle. The only problem is this fucking wick is not breaking this major QP right there. And that can be a challenge. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for the 4 hour close and look at the next 4 hour candle. And probably, I got distracted. We just hit 20 likes. Let's fucking go. Um, And thank you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for the next H4 dovetail setup. So wait for the wick down. And once we break the high, even if it's on the major QP, because that's a setup I've been trading a lot. And with that volume coming with the NYSC volume and the London close, it's the volume we need to be able to break those major QPs. It's still more risky right at the QP for sure. So probably going to reduce my risk in half, right? Um, just to make sure. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to be waiting for now. Because I mean, 4 hour candle is about to close, and the thing we all know that if this next candle wants to go up, we need to come down wick and continue up, right? So if I'm getting in, let's say, I don't know, on a little, like, I don't want to get at the entry of the candle, like at the beginning of the candle, I'm sorry, because I know for a fact we need to come down first, create the bottom weight, and start running, right? So hopefully that helped you guys. Let me check myself in 1 second. Man, I'm fired up this morning. I think that's because the Montreal Canadiens won yesterday. I was at the game. It was pretty good. I said I should check SDC console Discord. Oh, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What is going on? What's going on? Oh, by the way, guys, if you want to be on the Zoom session every morning, starting next week, if you want, you just need to jump into the Diamond Pause in Soul Dog City. Okay, Soul Dog City. Let me show you. Soul Dog City right here, right here. So you can buy any dog and you will have access to discount on the course. But if you find a DGen dog is a dog that has a crypto trades, like either BTC sunglasses, ETH sunglasses, Solana T-shirt, whatever crypto trades. Let me find one to show you. Let me find one to show you. Man, people know the value. We announced that, and there's no more. Holy fuck! There's one here. There's a Solana special. So this guy, the breed is Solana. You see, it's purple, so that's the purple Solana color. So this dog is actually available for everyday Zoom session, and it's 1.2 Solana. One Solana right now is worth like 20, no, 30 something dollars. So it's pretty cheap, to have access to. This is a deal I did with them just to help the project. And if you see the next Solana or crypto trades is, geez, price went up on those because they know the value. Oh, here's another one here, 1.9. And where's the next one? Where's the next one? Where is the next one? Where is the next one? Oh, here's a Solana t-shirt, 2.5. Oh, here's another Solana t-shirt, 2.5. There's BTC Glass, so 2.99. Solana t-shirt, 2.99. Uh, so you got the concept, right? So you got access. If you have a Degen dog, you also have a bigger discount on the course if you want. But yeah, this is just something I wanted to show you guys. Let's see. All right, let's see here. KB, what's up, dog? What's up, buddy? Long time no see, man. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back myself. It's the second week in a row. Back at it. Let's see here. Munir, what is your monthly rate? My monthly winning rate, you mean? Is that right? I guess so. Before it was a little higher. It was like I think it was like 82, if I remember correctly. Actually, a student actually did the math for me because I suck at those things. And now I think I'm at 79, if I remember correctly what he says. So I went down a little bit. I don't know what happened, but whatever. So around the um, 80 percentage. So not bad, not bad. Actually, thanks to those swing trades that came into play and boost up because honestly, at the beginning, was it this month or last month? Last month, yeah, it was a little bit more. It was tougher. I think it was tougher. I think like I had like a 71 or something like that. But those swing trades came into play and boost up my ratio, so that was very cool. But I don't, to be honest, I don't look at those stats because I know now these days that, my setup are high probability setup. So I know I'm always like, let's say 75% and plus, and I'm good with that. If the minute I start seeing my account declining, I know I'm not, shit is going down, right? It's not good. But, I'm profitable for like the past couple years now. Took me 2 years. Now it's been like, yeah, so 2 years ish. So yeah. So since then, to be honest, I don't really look at it anymore because I know that most of the time, and even if I lose more, the thing. Okay, so let's talk about that because I think that's very important. Um, Prior to that, like at the beginning, I was my RR was always, 1 to 1. I was moving my stop loss to break even. But the thing is, when you have a tight stop, and you're always aiming for 10, 11, 12 pips, it's super hard, to get above. And the thing is, your win ratio has to be so high, to be able to make money. But when you start having like RR like at 1.5, 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 4 to 1, I mean, even if you win only 60% of the time, you'll be making so much money, right? Because your RR is bigger. So every time you got a loser, you're like, fuck it. I know the next year I'm gonna be I'm gonna make 3 times that money. So I think that is a huge difference also on my trading. I get much more break-even trades these days than prior. Um, and yeah, so I get more losses than before, but my wins are way bigger. So I think that's a big, 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 big difference. Yeah. So hopefully that helped. Sometimes when I'm trying to explain some things, words are, you know, flying over my head. Sometimes not super clear, but if it's not clear, let me know. All right, so let's see here. Man, my screen is frozen. Oh, here we go. Let's take a look. All right, so you see this major QP right there. Look at this rejection. Boom, dang you, man. So that's why I didn't want to take a break, a trade on the break of the high. Because, let's say you do this, you got a 30 pips stop loss, and you only have like a 20 pips gain. So yeah, it doesn't make sense. All right, so now 1 hour just closed, small body candle. We did broke the high, expected pretty slow. Technically, we should continue up, but we did reject a major QP at 169. Right. Let's take a look at the 30 minute. 30 minute close bearish doji rejection here. So now, are we coming back down to this golden zone before the real push? I don't know. But the thing we know is now this 4 hour candle did close bullish, right? We did broke the low, respected previous high. So are we going to fill this wick to the downside, continue down, or are we going to use all that juice to push up? Right? Good question. You cannot trade what you think. You got to trade what you see, right? I know it sounds cliche again, but it is what it is. And what I'm going to be waiting for this candle to be wicking up. I mean, in this case, if I want price to come down, I need to break that low. So that's way too low. Ain't gonna happen now. So the only thing I'm going to be looking for the delta setup is a wick down and a break of the high. And again, we're right at this major QP. So I got to be very careful. I'm going to reduce my risk in half, right? Just to be sure. Managing risk again. Um, yeah. But if we do have a nice, engulfing candle, I might scalp maybe a little trade to the downside, right? So we'll see, which is going to be also the wick of the H4. Sometimes I feel a little cowboy, so I do those kind of things. But the safer thing will be to wait for that H4 dot. Right. Right now, again, this can work, but we are only like 2 minutes in that 30-minute candle. So for me, breaking the low right away, I don't know, especially after a doji like this, I'm gonna wait for price to pull back up, create a real wick, and break the low. Maybe if I feel a little cowboy, I'll take that trade here, which is a counter trend trade based on a high time frame, but we're trading with the trend on the lower time frame. Right? So we'll see. We shall see. But right now, I don't know, it's just too early. It's too early. And we know that we need to create that bottom wick first for the H4 dogtail setup, right? So that's why I'm not very interested. Like I'll be interested, like if we have a nice H1 engulfing candle, oh now we're talking like at 10 a.m. Like at 10 a.m., you can use now, like if we have a yeah, you know what? That's exactly what I'm gonna be doing. This is the plan. This is the plan right there. So if we do have a nice engulfing candle bearish here, after 1 hour, I will take it to the downside, scalping it, like getting like 15, 20 pips out of it. And yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. But I'm going to be waiting for my ultimate setup, which is the H4 doctor setup here. Yeah. So that's the plan for GJ. Let's go back to gold. First, let's go take a look at GU. GU. Ooh, we are setting up here. We are setting up here. Awesome. So now I'm gonna wait for that 30-minute engulfing. What about the 15? 15 was small. All right, so in 30 minutes, I'm gonna look at this, and yeah, perfect. Let's go back to gold now. Oh, by the way, before I forget, let's set up the alert. Let's set up the alert here on GJ. Gonna put it right here so I have time to come back and set up my stuff. Now let's go back to gold. And I'm doing some overtime today. What's up with that? All right, so H4 here on gold. So let me place the alert right here, right? So Now we're forming that tail to the downside. So we'll see how it goes. If you do break the high, actually, let me get ready here with gold just in case, because gold start moving sometimes move fast. There we go. All right, so gold's right there, but on a MT4, H4 is kind of screwed up. So let's see here, H1. So this is the high. Okay, perfect. This is the, yeah, so right there. Perfect. Um, Let me set up my open calc. All right, so we're gonna be ready if we need to move on this one. And nothing's happening here. All right, I'm gonna wait another extra, like maybe 2 3 minutes. Hey guys, if you just come in, don't forget to smash the like button. I need your help. I need to build back the audience here one by one. So it'll be great. We just hit 21 likes. Pretty excited. I think we did beat last week. Like again, I'm starting from scratch, right? So we're gonna try to beat those likes week after week. And I do think 20 like was the amount to break. So we did 21. Can we do 25? Is that a stretch? Can we do 25? That would be amazing. Let's do 25. Let's do 25. 25 one time, 25 two times, 25. All right. Meanwhile, let's take a look at something. Um, you see, if you buy any dog right now, this week, I'm giving free access to anyone that has a dog. Doesn't need a crypto trade. Anyone that has it can jump on Zoom. Um, I just did that today. What did I want to check? Oh, yo, I went to the BR1 office yesterday. If you've been following me for a while, you know about BR1. But if you're new here, let me show you. So BR1 is basically a game. All right, let me show you their Twitter. Um, So BR1 is like Call of Duty game. So basically, you can pay $1 to spawn, $1 for kill. Let me try to show you a preview or something. Here we go. Look at this. Oh, where's the sun? Oh, no sun. Ooh, let me try to see something. So sick. Yo, this game looks sick as fuck. Yo, I mean, how can you not be excited about that? Yo, whew, sheesh. Yeah, so I went to visit their office. They're a pretty cool dude, man. This is some gameplay. It's pretty cool. Yes, I'm pretty excited about that project. To be honest, it's one of the first project I bought on Solana and been doing super well. Doing super well. Pretty excited. Anyways, all right, let's get back to our things. All right, so gold's pushing down. GG's doing shit all. All right, all right, all right, all right, cool. Let me see something here. Need the last questions here. Let's see. Solana, haha. Oh, is that a rhyme? Solana, haha. Boom, boom, boom. I don't know. Maybe it's a rap. I don't know. What is that? What is that supposed to be meaning? Solana, haha. Is that a song? I don't know. I don't know. I'm just curious. Solana, haha. I don't know. Cardano, haha. Oh, it looks like it's a song. Solana, haha. Cardano, ho ho. That's funny. What can we find for ETH? ETH is shit. No? Okay. Cardano. Ho ho. I don't know. Funny. Whatever. All right, guys. Can we get to 25? That'd be exciting. Like again, we're building back from scratch. Um, took a huge ass break from YouTube, but yeah, we're gonna be back. We're gonna be back at it every Tuesday morning around 7 a.m. And why I say around, because I don't feel like stressing anymore, to be on time and this and that. I know for some people just like look at it as not serious because like I don't have a specific time, but activate notification and you'll know when I go live. Just make sure you activate notification. By the way, every Friday night, we'll do Forex Talk Over Beer. So Forex Talk Over Beer is at 6 p.m. Eastern. And what I do is I do recap all the trades I took during the week. I answer all the questions. We go over stuff. The more you participated on, the more you get knowledge on. So if you ask questions, I'm gonna answer them. I'm not gonna be holding any information. I'm gonna try to help you as much as possible. I'm also touching some NFT basics also. If there's people with question about it. Again, I'm not an expert, but I'm trying to help people to get on board, and that's it. Oops. So, any last question before I go, guys? No. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. All right. So, thank you very much for being here again this morning. It's a comeback, slow comeback, but we're gonna get there. And again, I'll see you Friday night at 6 p.m. Eastern for Stock Over Beer. Don't forget to subscribe and activate notification. And I'll see you on Friday, guys. Take care.